Welcome to Lesson 3. In this lesson, we're going to knead and shape. Refer to Lesson 1 or 2 for the main ingredients. So here we add the flour, 300 grams of flour, and we are going to mix with our hand. Practice makes perfect. So starting from Lesson 1, I hope you've been practicing. Once you keep practicing, you're going to get familiar with your dough and you'll be able to take control of your dough better. Once the dough comes together, we are going to start kneading on the work surface, just a small amount of flour, and then we are going to flip our dough onto the surface. Flour your hands to avoid over flouring your dough. You don't want it stiff. We're going to use this part of your palm. So you bring it in and you push it away. Bring it in, push it away. Bring it in, push it away. As you push away, turn your dough. Support the dough with your other hand and keep pushing away. Bring it in and pushing away. You're going to notice that the support makes it easier to bring it in and push it away as you turn. Bring it in, push it away, turn. If you need more flour, just dip your hands in the flour to the side and keep going. You're going to knead for about 15 minutes. If your hands get tired, just stop, rest for about a minute or two, come back and continue. As you go, you're going to see that the dough is going to strengthen, and the strength is going to give you a nice shaping, stability. Okay, once you're done, we're going to put the dough back into the bowl. We're going to put some olive oil in the bowl to make sure that the dough does not stick. Turn the dough upside down, rub it in the olive oil, and turn it back up. And then we're going to cover it for an hour and we'll be back. Use your bench scraper to scrape the surface. You don't want your dough to stick. It's very difficult to unstick when it dries. So while it's moist, get every crumb off your surface. We're going to be baking in a sheet pan today, so we're going to cover it with some parchment paper. If you don't have a sheet pan, that's fine. Use what you have. Don't go out buying gadgets. Just use what you got right at home. We're going to divide the parchment paper into 4 because we're going to make 4 different shapes. Very basic shapes, nothing difficult. Our dough is ready and looking beautiful. Time to divide it into 4 and shape. All right, it's time to divide it up. Put flour on the edge of your blade, whatever you're using to cut. Dip it in flour. It's easier to split your dough, especially a soft dough. I am using one hand so you can see better what I'm doing. Alright, so basically you pat down your dough and then you bring it in, tuck it in, bring it in, tuck it in, bring it in and tuck it in till the very end. And remember in lesson 1, you have to pinch your seams. So once you pinch your seams, and then you roll it. You stretch it out by rolling it. Don't worry about making it even. Just roll it. Let the dough do a lot of the work. Feel the dough. Don't push hard on it. You get a pancake. Start at the tip and roll it around into itself all the way to the end. And when you get to the end, you're going to tuck the other tip under the dough. It's a nice shape. Alright, this is where I made a little boo-boo. I should have put the dough, the shaped dough, straight onto the parchment paper. Instead, I left it on the counter. And then I had to use a bench scraper to scrape them all up, which altered the shape. And there's some more stuff that happened after that. Oh my goodness, when it rains, it pours. With this shape, we are going to twist it around itself. So you have 2 strands and you just twist it over itself like that. And then when you get to the end, you tuck it under. You pinch the end so it doesn't fall apart, and then you tuck it under. With this shape, you're going to twist it around like you're making a knot, and then you tuck it under. Then you take the other end and tuck it the opposite direction. With this shape, we are going to pat it down, make it a nice circle. Don't make it too flat. And then we're going to divide it up into sections. You can make 4 sections, 6 sections, or 8 sections. I made 8 sections. And then we're going to take each section and twist it. And as you can see, I had to scrape the shapes to put on the parchment paper, which deformed them. At this point, I got distracted again. I got called to help a friend. So I rushed off and I came back, and of course, you know, it was all deformed. And I went ahead and baked it anyway. But typically, you let it rise for 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that. And then you bake it in the oven, 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. Right here, I'm putting on some olive oil. And here we are right out of the oven. Nice and hot. They look so delicious, don't they? And I'm going to put on some ghee. Hope you come back for lesson 4. We're going to make some rolls, 2 types of rolls, cinnamon rolls and dinner rolls. Until next time, bon appetit!